Mastering confirmation questions in English. Hello, language learners. In this video, we're going to explore an incredibly important aspect of conversational English: confirmation questions. These little linguistic tools are essential for ensuring that you've understood what someone has said and that they've understood you in return. Let's dive in. Confirmation questions are a type of question we use in English to verify or double-check information we've been given or statements we've heard. They can serve several purposes, such as ensuring we've understood something correctly, showing that we're actively listening, or confirming that we're all on the same page. Examples of confirmation questions might be, "So you're saying you'll be here at 5 p.m., right?" Or, "Did I understand correctly that the meeting is on Friday?" Confirmation questions are more than just a way to verify information. They're a fundamental part of successful communication. When you use them, you're demonstrating your active participation in the conversation. You're also showing that you care about understanding and being understood. This not only helps you to avoid misunderstandings, but also strengthens your relationships with others by showing them that you value their input. To use confirmation questions effectively, start by repeating back the key piece of information you want to confirm, then phrase it as a question. For example, if someone says, "I'll see you at the cafe at 3 p.m., you might respond with, "You'll meet me at the cafe at 3 p.m., right?" In general, it's best to use confirmation questions immediately after the statement you're confirming, to keep the context clear. That wraps up our brief exploration of confirmation questions in English. These questions are an essential part of effective communication and can go a long way towards ensuring clear understanding in your conversations. So the next time you find yourself in an English conversation, don't be afraid to use them. Remember, practice makes perfect. Happy learning!